Hey there, fellow food enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered if there's a secret weapon to combat the ongoing health crisis? Well, I've got some jaw-dropping information that will leave you craving for more. Get ready to dive into the world of nutrition and discover how a balanced diet can be the ultimate game changer in restoring your health. Did you know that an alarming 68% of adults worldwide are either overweight or obese? That's right. Nearly 2 in every 3 people are grappling with excess weight, putting their well-being at risk. But fret not, because today we're unlocking the door to a healthier lifestyle by focusing on the power of a balanced diet. Picture this. You wake up feeling energized, your body primed for the day ahead. Your brain is firing on all cylinders and you feel confident in your own skin. How is this possible, you ask? Well, it all boils down to the foods you choose to fuel your body. You see, a balanced diet is like a superhero's secret weapon against various health issues. It's a harmonious combination of essential nutrients that our bodies need to function optimally. Proteins, carbohydrates, healthy fats, vitamins and minerals, each one plays a crucial role in our overall well-being. But here's the kicker. Did you know that a staggering 80% of chronic diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers, can be prevented through lifestyle changes, particularly through adopting a balanced diet? That's right, folks. The choices we make in our food selection can literally save lives. So, stick around as we delve into the nitty-gritty details of what makes a diet truly balanced. We'll debunk popular myths, reveal the scientific evidence behind it all, and provide practical tips to help you revamp your eating habits. Get ready to embark on a journey towards a healthier you because, trust me, the results are mind-blowing. Don't touch that dial, folks. We're just getting started, and this information is too important to miss. It's time to reclaim your health and transform your life with the power of a balanced diet. Let's dig in and uncover the secrets together. Now that we're on the edge of our seats, let's dive deeper into the fascinating world of nutrition and its impact on our health. Did you know that a staggering 91% of people don't consume the recommended daily servings of fruits and vegetables? That's right. We're falling short in nourishing our bodies with the vital vitamins and minerals they need to thrive. But fear not. A balanced diet is the key to unlock a world of vibrant health and wellness. By incorporating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables into your meals, you're providing your body with a powerful arsenal of antioxidants, fiber, and phytonutrients. These superheroes fight off harmful free radicals, boost your immune system, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Speaking of chronic diseases, did you know that globally, 3.9 million deaths each year are attributed to diets lacking in whole grains? It's time to swap out those refined carbohydrates for whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread. These fiber-rich powerhouses not only keep your digestive system happy, but also lower the risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. But hold on tight, because we're about to drop some serious knowledge bombs. Did you know that a whopping 2 billion people worldwide suffer from micronutrient deficiencies? These deficiencies can lead to a host of health issues, including impaired cognitive development in children and increased susceptibility to infections. That's where a balanced diet comes to the rescue. By ensuring you're getting enough vitamins and minerals, you're giving your body the tools it needs to function optimally. From vitamin C-packed citrus fruits to iron-rich leafy greens, we'll explore the incredible benefits these nutrients offer and how they can transform your well-being. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Throughout this video, we'll dive into real-life success stories of individuals who have revolutionized their health through a balanced diet. Get ready to be inspired by their incredible transformations and learn how you, too, can take charge of your own health destiny. So grab your notepads and get ready to take some serious notes because this is the information you've been waiting for. It's time to unlock the full potential of your health through the magic of a balanced diet. Stay tuned, folks, because we're just getting started on this life-changing journey.